Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In astrology, Saturn is known as the planet of discipline, structure, and responsibility. A strong Saturn in your horoscope can indicate stability, success, and personal growth. But how do you know if your Saturn is strong? In this video, we'll show you how to identify the strength of your Saturn in your astrological chart. Position in the chart. The first factor to consider is the position of Saturn in your horoscope. Saturn is considered strong in its own sign of Capricorn, as well as in its exalted sign of Libra. If Saturn is positioned in these signs, it can indicate a strong Saturn. Additionally, if Saturn is positioned in the 1st, 2nd, 5th, 9th, 10th, or 11th houses of your chart, it can also indicate a strong Saturn. Aspects. Another factor to consider is the aspects Saturn makes with other planets in your chart. A strong Saturn should have positive aspects with other planets, particularly with the Sun, Moon, Mars, and Jupiter. On the other hand, if Saturn has negative aspects with other planets, it can indicate a weak Saturn. Nakshatras. Nakshatras are lunar mansions in Hindu astrology, and they play a significant role in determining the strength of planets in a horoscope. A Saturn positioned in the nakshatras of Shravana, Dhanista, or Satabhasha is considered strong, while a Saturn positioned in the nakshatras of Pushya or Anuradha is considered weak. Retrograde motion. Finally, consider the retrograde motion of Saturn in your chart. A retrograde Saturn can indicate a weaker Saturn, as it may cause delays, obstacles, and challenges in your life. On the other hand, a direct Saturn can indicate a strong Saturn, as it can bring stability and success. In conclusion, a strong Saturn in your astrological chart can bring stability, success, and personal growth to your life. To determine the strength of your Saturn, consider its position in your chart, its aspects with other planets, its position in the nakshatras, and its retrograde motion. If you want a more in-depth analysis of your Saturn, consult with a professional astrologer who can give you a detailed analysis of your horoscope. That's all for today, folks. I hope this video has been helpful in showing you how to identify the strength of your Saturn in your astrological chart. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more astrology content. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll delve deeper into the fascinating world of astrology. Until then, take care and bye.